Here are 7 things I did when I went viral. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe for more. I just had several videos go viral here on this channel and one on another channel. And I was thinking like, maybe I would lay out what I did when I went viral, because you know, a lot of people want to go viral, but they don't know what they would do if they end up actually going viral. And I've gone viral before, and I came up with a certain plan afterwards for things that I could do. Luckily, I came up with it the first time I went viral, and then the second time I went viral, I was ready, you know, and then blah, blah, blah. So here are the things that I did when I went viral. At first I was shocked. I was not sure that the numbers were right, because literally I had been outside all day and I had not been looking at my social media, you know, I've been touching grass. And I came home and I had a bunch of messages and I was like, what's going on? So I looked and I had 40,000 views on one video. But then I had like maybe 200,000 views or something. So I looked and I had another video that also had gone viral. And like in 8 hours that had gotten 100,000 views. And since then I've got 2 more that have gone viral. So I checked the numbers to make sure that I wasn't dreaming first. Next, I posted one of the viral videos, the biggest one, to another site to see if it was the video or if it was something else, because you know it's going to take a few days for the analytics to come around, and it actually went viral also. Number 3, I made a live thank you video. So I went on live for like 5-10 minutes and just thanked people for watching and all that different stuff. Next, I need to make an introduction video for all the new subscribers. Then I posted a follow-up video, and what I did was really just re-edit the video that went viral, the biggest video that went viral, and I put the surprise at the beginning, and that also is doing a lot of numbers, right? It's got over 100,000 views now. Finally, I celebrated. I went straight to work first, and then I just celebrated. I told friends, I started making videos on other sites, letting people know. I've been chatting about it with people, and so that's something you should do. Make sure to take a little time, at least a little time, to celebrate your win. Then came the planning. So I'm planning more videos like this video I planned. I've done several follow-ups on all of my sites, and I plan to continue to do that. But one thing that I did when I very first on TikTok went viral is I had several little series that I was doing, and I lost track of those while I was handling all of this virality. And I actually went viral once, and then 2 months later I went viral again. So like all of my regular scheduled programming was out the door. This time I am making sure to continue my regularly scheduled programming also once or twice a week, you know, my regular series thing. Number 7, okay, after a few days or a week, then you should go to your analytics and see how it happened if you can. Try to distill some little kernels of something that you can use for future postings. My analytics didn't have a lot of information because most of it came from the shorts feed, so like 98% was from the shorts feed, but a lot of it was international. So I think that's one reason. A lot of my videos are American because of English, I suppose. But yeah, just make sure to check your analytics. That way you can kind of schedule around. If there's something that's particular that stands out to you, then you can try to distill that a little bit. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and go check out my viral videos. Oh my God. Most of them are dance videos here on YouTube. I'm also a singer, songwriter, actor, author, poet. See you soon. Peace.